Guys, welcome back to Digi Art House. So today we'll be learning how to draw braids. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and get your Procreate app out. And this is the brush that I like to sketch with. It's called Thick Detail and it's from the Perfect um, Sketch brush set, and it's on my website, and make sure I have the link down below so you guys can go grab that. So, when drawing braids, you want to start off with a long rectangular shape. And it's very important when you're drawing is that you do light swift motions like this, like that, so they create one solid line. You don't want to go ahead and do a harsh line like that because it's going to be hard to correct. So what you'll want is to go ahead and do those light swift motions and mold your shape like that. The next thing is we're going to go up. So basically we're going to make a T like this. And that's how it's going to be. So we're going to redraw those T's. And the next one is going to be like that. This is the motion that we're going to do. So we're going to do that diagonal. And that's not even what we're going to do, you guys. What am I talking about? We're going to go like this. Just do those T's, like connecting T's. So we're going to go like this. Go like that. And it doesn't have to be perfect because braids are not perfect. Even though they look perfect, they're not perfect. So just practice. Just keep on practicing. So this is the motion we're going to do. Then the next step is to go ahead and do the outside sections right here. So we are going to curve around and we're going to do this C-shaped motion like this on either side of the braid. So we're going to do this curve right here, curve right here, and you're going to keep repeating it. So you're going to connect this section and this section with that C curve. Like that. And make sure that it's long and not like out like this. Nobody's braids look like that. So make sure it's long. And I'm going to erase these arrows so they're not in my way. Just like this. And after that, you're going to see if I can do a different color right quick. So what you're going to do is you're going to curve these inside parts right there. Because you don't want your braids to look boxy. So let's go ahead. I can't even, there we go. So let's go ahead, back to black. And we're going to do a C curve here and a backward C right here. So forwards, backwards, forward, and backwards. and you're going to keep going for that entire braid. So now, and this is the cool part. So if you have my brush set, which is the Don't Touch My Hair brush set on baby hair, that is the brush that you're going to need because it makes those lines that we need, those fine detail lines. So if not, let me see how you can do it with the sketch brush. It's still the same, you just have to do extra work. So what we're going to do is do this motion. So you're going to do this to one side, one section, and then you're going to come to the other side and do the same thing. Like this. And so keep doing that, and I'm going to use the Don't Touch My Hair. And this brush that will be in the description below as well. So you guys can have that. And I'm gonna lower the brush size. And we're gonna do it like that. And you're gonna keep going. And you see how it creates that shine effect in the center? That is what you want when you do your braids. So for this one, we're gonna go down like that. And come back up. And you're going to keep repeating that motion for all the braids. And I'm going to actually speed this process up. When you're doing braids, just take your time, especially if you're doing a lot of them. Definitely take your time and just trust the process, because if you rush it, it's going to definitely look like a rush job. So you just want to take your time and just keep going. There you go. There's your simple braid. You did it. You've made it to the end of the tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this channel if you want more Procreate tutorials, drawing tutorials, any kind of tutorial that deals with drawing, obviously. And make sure you follow me on TikTok. I do a lot of tutorials there. The TikTok is Rittenhouse Art, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!